Today, I'm making my watermelon pizza. Yes, I said watermelon pizza. First, I'm going to slice the onion very thin. Then I'm going to soak it in hot water for about 5 minutes. Slice the cucumber into 1/8 inch slices. Then thinly slice a small bunch of fresh mint. Cut a 1½ inch center slice of watermelon. Drain and pat the onion dry with a paper towel. Sprinkle with the salt. Then spread out the cucumber, the onion, then add the feta cheese. Drizzle with the balsamic glaze and top with the fresh mint. Slice into wedges and serve. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.